Good morning, gardeners. I hope you guys are safe and everything went well. I tried, but it didn't work out. We lost 4 racks of bananas. So far, the bananas are the only ones. I'm not looking too good. But hey, God is good. God is good. God is very, very good. Exhausted. I didn't sleep all night. It was way too much noise. It was way too crazy for me. But it looks good. This one, I put them down myself because I knew they were gonna tilt anyway. But for what I can see, the only thing is the bananas. Everything else, oh wow, no, that was expected. The little waffle, it's a little not good in there. That can be fixed. That is not a big deal. The avocado, I mean, so far everything is minor. You'll be surprised how resilient the trees can be. Look at the water, guys. It's crazy. It is very, very crazy. Well, everybody's still P22. Caimito. This was whoa. But hey, not bottle. And I really hope you guys spare and everything was good. I really hope to everyone that you guys didn't sustain too many damage or anything. I haven't go up front. I'm gonna go and look at my car because I heard so many noises last night. I'm having sleep at all. Nada, not one blink, because the noises were horrifying. I really thought the whole world was coming down. But oh wow. Yeah. Here's a part that I knew was gonna be, that's can be fixed. Rollinia can be fixed. This swamp here, all the trees in here are not doing too good, but hey, it's okay. Like I said, we can always replant and rebuild. Nothing major, guys. Rollinia Deliciosa, I feel kind of bad, but hey, she has to bounce back. I gotta go inside because it's getting a little windy, and I know it still can be some dangerous. I don't want to be irresponsible. So, sugar cane, kind of like hurt a little bit my my carambola tree in there. The same with the avocados and the zapatillas. I mean, that's the problem with sugar cane. It's delicious, but it's so fragile. So fragile, can easily damage so many things. Let me put her right here in the other side. Oh, but I mean, not bad at all, guys. Honestly, I really thought it was gonna be devastating. And even though, I mean, yeah, it's water here and there, but not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I know it's gonna be raining, but this is nothing compared to what I thought would it be. This made me a little sad, but even though I tied them, I knew it was gonna be a big possibility that we lost them, which is okay. I let them in there and we'll see what happens. I really hope your family is safe and everybody else. Orange Sherba looks like she is everywhere. We can always fix her. That's not a big deal. I'm gonna go up front and see how everything else looks. I hope you guys did good. My friends didn't do too well. Yeah, we did lose the fans for sure, for sure. That's the noise that I hear last night. Holy sugar. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. The fence is gone, so I'm definitely going to check on my car. Have a good day, guys. Peace, and may God was good to you guys.